What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Big Logan channel. I'm your host, Big Logan. So today we have another van tour episode. I've been off the map for a while. I've been busy relocating my shop and building another van. So this is Cleo behind me here. Same Ram ProMaster 159-inch wheelbase and high roof, this time in all black. Check her out. So we've got this van conversion coming at you with a van tour today. We've got some more updates for the Big Logan channel. Also on this episode, got a couple more vans here in queue. So if you guys are interested in Mountaineer Vanworks van conversions and the details that we're going to show you today on this van tour, be sure to check out MountaineerVanworks.com. All the details there and more coming. So let's get this episode started. All right, guys, we're back to the Big Logan channel and our van tour, Cleo here. So the weather's changed. We just got the van detailed for the client. This van is pre-sold, but like I said before, we do have the white and the Granite Crystal Metallic for sale. So before we get the van started on Cleo, I want to give a quick shout out to Techna Gadgets. I'm wearing their Sean sunglasses today, so very stylish and trendy gear. Check out Techna Gadgets. I'll link them below in the description. Thanks, guys, for the awesome products. Let's get this van tour started. So we're kicking off Cleo's van tour with Mountaineer Vanworks' latest offered features for our ProMaster conversions. So newly added to the exterior of the van is a shore power plug, allows shore charging at home or an RV campsite. In addition to 400 watts of solar atop a Cargo Master modular roof rack system, and then dual max air vent fans. So the forward vent fans also pre-wired for rooftop air conditioning, and then we've employed Victron Energy's Bluetooth monitoring system for convenient power system data notifications. Moving into the interior, we've continued with our bright colors and dark accents for a well-rounded aesthetic. And Cleo's panel includes all the necessary controls for systems operation, and the newest addition here is the Webasto thermostat. This controls the airtop STC 1000 gasoline cabin heater, so that runs quietly all day or night using the ProMaster's OEM gasoline. So moving to another Mountaineer Vanworks signature piece is the stationary twin bed, which transforms into a lavish king-size bed. The dinette seat cubby underneath doubles as a step to ease stepping in and out. On both sides of the bed are bunk windows with a touch dimmer reading light that's also equipped with USB chargers intended for charging your phone at night. Blackout curtains are supplied and include holdback magnets when draping near the Webasto cabin heater, and this provides a nice blockage of sunlight and convenient use day or night. The next convertible feature is the double use of the countertop space as an indoor shower area. So the false cabinet overhead is furnished with shower curtain hooks and the shower head and mixer, and it's best paired with fabric shower curtains to ease the draping in the deep shower pan lip. Next is the dinette area featuring zone dimmer lighting and storage cubbies under seat. And the rear storage cubby doubles as a third seat at the table and a bed step as previously mentioned. The final conversion feature is the transformation of the dinette table and chairs into a small chase or bed, measuring roughly 5 foot 2 inches in length. And this conversion is designed around the Lagoon swivel table mount. Overhead cabinetry boasts a flush-mounted 700-watt microwave, and then 2 deep and 2 shallow cabinets with gas lift struts. All sliding doors in the van are equipped with soft close sliders to deter opening from induced road vibrations when driving. Pass-through to the cargo area is made simple with a large 34-inch by 20-inch wide door intended for bikes, kayaks, or other longer items needed stowed here. All right guys, so back here in the cargo area, I've thrown in the Iceco freezer. You can check them out at icecofreezer.com. This is a great portable freezer option, or if you're towing a toy behind one of these adventure vans, you can quickly disconnect from 120 volt AC power and move right to a 12 volt DC power source. So Iceco Freezer sent me this VL45. It's a medium size in their line. They also have dual zone units. So this runs off a small DC compressor. And like I said before, you can power it off of your house receptacles or 12 volt DC. So thanks again, Iceco. Really great product. Shout out to you guys. I'm gonna link icecofreezer.com in the description below. Let's get back to the tour. The rear cargo area is large and boasts a durable truck bed liner for wet and or dirty gear and cargo. And the plumbing system, an outdoor shower positioned at the right wheel well with towel hooks located on the opposite side of the van. The left wheel well houses the power system with localized power outlet and the cargo area lighting control, as well as all the DC thermal breakers and the main distribution panel. In addition to solar and alternator charging, the newly added feature of shore power, as previously mentioned, is equipped by a Furrion power plug and a PowerMax shore charger inside the van. And this aids in nighttime or heavy use battery charging. All right guys, thanks again for watching Cleo's van tour video. She's going to her client tomorrow, and then they're heading straight to San Diego. We're here in the beautiful state of West Virginia. So road trip and true road test immediately following this van tour. By the time you guys see this, it will have already hopefully made it to San Diego. So thanks again to Technogadgets for the awesome swag, and check them out again, link below in the description, as well as Iceco. Awesome freezer products for portable DC and AC powered system. Great combo for an off-grid adventure van like this. So we'll see you guys on the next post. Thanks for watching BigLogan channel. Peace.